In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Microsoft Word 365. We'll turn a regular page into a clean multi-column layout using Word's built-in tools, so your document reads more like a newsletter, brochure, or magazine. Start by launching Microsoft Word 365 and opening the document you want to edit. Make sure you're in the file where the columns should appear. Everything we do next will affect that specific document. If you only want part of your document to appear in columns, select that text now. Click and drag to highlight the exact paragraphs you want included. If you skip this step and leave nothing highlighted, Word will apply columns to the entire document. This is great when you need just a multi-column section between standard, single-column paragraphs, but be mindful that any selected headings or images will also flow into the columns. Next, head to the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. This tab controls page-level formatting, such as margins, orientation, and columns. So it's the place to go whenever you're shaping the overall look of your pages. In the Page Setup group, click Columns. A drop-down menu will appear with preset options. One restores a single standard column, which is the default. 2 splits your content into 2 equal columns for a classic newsletter look. 3 divides the page into 3 narrow columns when you need more sections. Left and right create uneven columns, pairing a narrow column with a wider one on the opposite side, handy for side notes, call-outs, or small graphics along your main text. Choose the option that best matches your layout goals. After you make your selection, confirm by clicking OK to apply the column layout. Word will immediately reflow your text. If you highlighted text earlier, only that selection changes. If you didn't, the entire document switches to the new column format. You'll see the results right away, and you can always try a different preset if the balance of space doesn't match what you had in mind. And that's all it takes. You open your document, optionally select the portion you want in columns, go to the Layout tab, choose Columns in Page Setup, pick from the presets, and click OK to apply. Remember, choosing one is an easy way to return to a standard single-column page if you want to revert. With these steps, you'll create professional readable layouts in just a few clicks.